Okay, I'm here by request to show my latest Sanitaire sc684 in a weekly vacuum video. By the time you're seeing this, I'll probably already be at work, and all because I go to work at 10 o'clock and I gotta make this fast. I only got an hour to do it, so here we go. Alright, time for the day room. After the day room, I'm going to do my room, and that'll be it. Maybe the hallway, but my roommate already vacuumed his room. Yeah, he vacuumed it this morning. Here we go in here. Alright, before I go to my room, this Sanitaire is pretty much brand ass spanking new. I looked at the carbon brushes, they look brand new. There's not hardly any scratches on this vacuum. The belt was a little wore out, but it didn't have a lot of cracks in it. And it was pretty much, it was more stretched out and formed to the brush roll and motor pulley than it was ate up by sand. We're going to do the hallway, and then we'll go ahead and walk into my room. I might have to pick up a few things because I was in there last night and I had a little snack, so I'm gonna take the time to pick that stuff up, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pick up some shit in my room, and then we'll be back in there. Alright, here we are in my room. Let's get started. Alright, well, there's my room. And if you see this mess, don't comment shit about that. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of other people on this channel who comment that have a room almost just as bad. I'm not calling names. I don't know how many of you might. I might be the only one who is on the channel who has a room like this. I might be the only collector here that has a room like this. But if you look at this room and say, "Oh, you're nasty, you don't live right, and you hoard," if that's what you think, fuck you, okay? Now, if you don't think that, you're fine. I haven't been in this room since I was a young child. And this rug I just laid out because, well, I laid it out a while back, yes, but I've been really cleaning in this room, trying to get it good looking again. So, yeah. Oh, also, before I go, I have a Nintendo SNES to show you. I got Super Mario World. I played it on this TV. I love it. I got other games. Even adults have to have fun like that. So, also next I'm looking for the original Atari and the Nintendo NES. I also got a shitload of other games here. Yep, I also collect old game systems. So, anyway, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see, and I'll see what I can do and how I can do it. So, until next time, see you later. Bye, everyone.